honest with you, I think I was so focused on the big Kentucky sign that the other one might be in the corner. Very scenic.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, we're here in Lexington, Kentucky for the last rounds of AMA Arena Cross for the year. And we're heading in to watch the pros tonight. It's Friday night. Last round of East Coast is tomorrow, so I'll be racing that. And then racing the national championship on Sunday. It's a little smoky in here. I don't know if they have a fog machine. Oh, they actually, yeah, there it is. Fog machine. Spotted. Yeah, so you can barely see anything, but very short start right here. Right into a left-hand 180, and then you roll the finish landing. And then it looks like it's going to be a 2-3, and then a double into the whoops. And then this rhythm is what I'm thinking about tomorrow, because I'm wondering if I'm going to be step on, step off, double, triple. Hopefully I could triple out. Or maybe it'd be over, double, triple, single. And then come around some very small rollers here. Little table to the finish. a jersey or something.
So stay tuned.
Second pickup kit. Alright, just got back to the campsite for the night, and the pro race was pretty good. The semis had a good amount of action, a little bit in the LCQs too. One of the riders went down pretty good, so hopefully he's okay. The last main of the night, the second A main, KP put on a pretty good charge at the end to come back to get the win. So that was really cool to see. Track is a lot bigger than the last one, which is awesome. Looks like a fun layout. It's a really short start, so I think that might help me there. As long as I can get inside gates. If you can't get an inside gate, it seems like you're kind of screwed. But first rhythm, I think it'll be a 2-3, and then solid pad of whoops that they'll probably trim down. So we probably get, instead of 12 of them, we'll get like 8 of them. And then that big rhythm section, I'm hoping step on, step off, double, triple. If not, maybe I can get over double, double, double. But we'll have to see. I don't know what they're changing for tomorrow, so I don't know. I'm excited, nervous, but should be a good weekend of racing. fucking hate riding this bike, honestly. I gotta go back on a different bike that way. First of all, I'm still having that fucking clutch issue. So, I'm pulling the clutch, it's not doing anything. So just finished up all 3 of my practices. Not a ton of people here. There's like 5 guys in each of my classes, but they're from all over, from the West Coast, from wherever they were racing before. And they're all pretty fast. So I don't know if I'll be able to beat any of them, but I want to at least just run with them and stay up there. And should be able to get enough points for championships and stuff. The track is sick though. It is almost the same as last night. The only thing I saw that they changed is the step off isn't a single anymore. It kind of rolls and then rolls again. So it's, you can come up short, you can do whatever, you're fine there. But there's still legit rhythms and legit whoops. And those whoops are fun, but if you're not ready for them, they can take you out quick. I had a bobble in them and it almost cost me, but I think I'll be good as long as I stay on the e-bike, because as you saw when I rode the KTM, it wasn't going good. Yeah, I can't ride that bike at all at Arena Cross. I'm so bad at it. The clutch was acting up, and yeah, I'm sticking with the e-bike.
Hey, how is it on an electric bike?
Personally, I like it a lot more.
I feel like it'd be weird not knowing like where to start.
Yeah, I mean, there is no RPM. You're literally just nothing.
So does it like take time to get used to? Because normally you're just like this, and now it's just
A little bit. But honestly, depending on if it's like an outdoor start or indoor, I'll turn it down.
oh, yeah. That's sick though.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Plus, like places like this, I just have it plugged in the wall when we're in the pit.
That's sick. Ready?
1, 2, 3. So yeah, that's how the day went. Kind of sucks I didn't get footage of the mains really, but don't know why the GoPro's acting up like that. It was doing it on Sunday too, which kind of sucked, and I missed some pretty cool stuff with it. But yeah, Saturday went good enough. Went 3-3 in all 3 of my classes, so that was pretty good. It gave me enough points to wrap up 2 East Coast championships, which is pretty cool. Got them right here. Ended up winning 450B and College Boy. So, pretty cool to have those. I've always wanted some of these number 1 plates, and they're really cool to have. It's been like a goal of mine for a long time, so that's pretty cool. And on top of it, as far as I know, it's the first ever Alta and full-sized electric dirt bike in any AMA championship. So, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool achievement to have right there. Not that it's written anywhere, but cool to know I have the first one. It might be the first one in other AMA racing, but as far as I know, at least dirt bikes wise, that's it. Got one more championship from that weekend, so stay tuned for the next video for that one. It's gonna be cool to watch, and yeah, plenty of other racing this year, e-bike and gas bikes. So gonna have good content, and stay tuned for those guys. See ya.